Okay, what I'm trying to do here for you guys is help you identify what trannies you buy so you don't get stuck with a LS when you wanted a B16 or a VX or CX when you wanted a EX D-Series. All this is going to do is show you how to figure it out. First of all, the DXs, the ratio is so similar in first and fourth and everything else that we're going to do this all in third gear in all of these trannies because third is such a dramatic difference. So how you select third is there's the H pattern is reversed because when you push forward on your shifter it actually pulls backwards on this lever. So I'm going to show you how to select third. If you go over to this way, you can hear it click. That's your first and second. This is acting just like the shifter, but like I said, forward and backward is backward. So over here is going to be 1, 2. Over here is going to be reverse and fifth. But in the center is going to be your 3, 4, and you're going to want to pull it back. So now we are in third gear. So to reference all of the lines here, the reason that I did them I'll explain, but just putting a piece of tape in there and then actually cutting them with a razor blade so all these lines line up. How you figure out a ratio is how many times this turns to this turning one time. Now this particular transmission, I'm going to show you when I start turning this, I got 1 revolution, 2, 3, 4, the line's coming around, watch down here, boom, lines lined up. We're at about 4.7, which makes this a D-Series DX coupe sedan tranny. That's the ratio in third gear. Now the ratios for the other trannies, a B16 done like this in third gear is going to turn 6.2 times, a GSR is going to turn 6 times, and an LS will turn 5.3. That's B series. In the D series, an EX will turn 5.3, a DX is going to turn 4.75, and a VX is going to turn 3.4. Dramatic difference. If you guys buy the wrong trannies now, it's on you. I've had way too many times where I've been brought a tranny, brought a car, told to put it in. Somebody called me up and said, "Hey, why in the hell in my EX Civic Coupe am I coming out of second gear at 75 miles an hour?" Well, it's because you bought a VX. Now you shouldn't. This should help you guys.